Hey everyone, Melissa here. I'm really excited. It's been a happy mail day. It's Friday, so happy Friday. And what I have is my May 2021 hip kit. It's come in record time. Normally I wouldn't get this till the first week of the next month, but I'm really excited. I'm not complaining at all. I think it's awesome. And so I'm just going to take you through it. So this kit is featuring the Keep It Real collection by Pink Fresh Studio, the Wonders collection by Paige Evans, and the Reaching Out collection by Jen Hadfield. And there is also the a little bit of the Buenos Dias collection by Obed Marshall and a tiny bit of the Maggie Holmes Garden Party, which we got in last month's kit. So as always, we'll start with the papers. So this beautiful rainbow paper is by Pink Fresh Studio and it is called Big Mood. So it's from Keeping It Real. So is this one. It's called A Little Chaos. Gorgeous, gorgeous B-side there. This is from Jen Hadfield's Reaching Out collection. It's called Here For You. Pretty gingham on the back. This beautiful paper is from Buenos Dias. It's called Petals. And isn't that just absolutely stunning? All the beautiful butterflies to cut apart from Wonders, paper number 8. And a beautiful green pattern on the B side. Also from Wonders is paper 18, which is a navy with floral and a more monochromatic kind of pink floral. This one, I need to tell you, is from Jen Hadfield Reaching Out, called Stick Together. So all these sort of cut apart washi strips with words and a beautiful blue floral. And then this one from Buenos Dias, Obed Marshall, is paper number, no, it's called Let's Go. Little bit disappointed New Zealand has been missed off the map. Happens often. So if you have a collection or if you know any product that includes New Zealand, then that's awesome. This is still beautiful and I'll still use it, but just had to say. And a beautiful yellow. And then from Amy Tangerine's Brave and Bold collection, we have this, which is like a cut apart. Quite interesting. I've never seen a paper like this from her before. And there's this kind of stitched embroidery look on the B side. And then from Buenos Dias, this paper is called Happy Mosaic. So it's got a mosaic scallop pattern. I can see myself fussy cutting that. And the B side is a beautiful pink star. Now, I can see that I'm potentially damaging my papers with my desk. I'm going to clean that up and I'll be back. Okay, so that really wasn't good. I've just been making a layout and I was playing with some shimmers and I think I sprayed quite a lot and missed my mat. So anyway, clean that up. It doesn't matter. It's going to be fine. I'm not going to stress out about it. So onto the embellishments in the main kit. We have got the Keeping It Real ephemera pack. So lots of kind of keeping it real phrases in there and icons. Really beautiful. I love Pink Fresh. This, I have to admit, I oohed and ahed when I opened this. So these are pressed flowers and they're in a raised, I don't know what you call that, like a shadow box. Really, really pretty. It's like it's got an acetate in there. This beautiful alpha, it's called Sunset. Absolutely stunning. There's a few hearts and stars in there as well, so that's going to be fun to play with. From Paige Evans Wonders collection, these are the dimensional stickers. They're really, really pretty. They'd be great for card making or mini albums as well as traditional layouts. And finally, the 6x12 sticker sheet from Reaching Out by Jen Hadfield. So typical Jen Hadfield, beautiful icons and things in there. And that side as well. So that is the main kit. Now, before I get to the embellishment kit, if you get the pattern paper add-on, let's turn that around, you get an additional piece of paper, so you'll get all the same papers again, and you also get number 5 from Wonders. So it's a beautiful pattern, and that is the B side. Okay, so next up we have the embellishment kit. So you get a pack of these 20 resin stickers. They are gold hearts beautiful glittery gold hearts. They're quite solid and chunky. You get a pack of the Paige Evans floral, and I think it's a few butterflies, yeah. So florals, butterflies, leaves and birds, ephemera, and they're beautiful. You get the puffy stickers from the Wonders collection, and I can see these will be so much fun to make banners with. You get the cardstock stickers from Pink Fresh Keeping It Real, and these are lovely. They are a little bit like the ephemera, but just more dimensional because they are cardstock. Actually, they're more like chipboard than cardstock. I'm loving these. These are the thickers from the Reaching Out collection. So they are a foam and cardstock phrase sticker. Really lovely. There's gold in there, gold foiling as well. And another alpha is the Keeping It Real Puffy Alpha, and it's beautiful, beautiful green colour. So that is the Embellishment Kit. Okay, next up we have the Pocket Life Kit, and if you love embellishing, I probably say this every month, but if you, I'd get the Embellishment Kit and the main kit if you were just going to get 2 kits. If you were going to get 3 kits, I would get the pattern paper add-on as well to make it stretch even further, but if you love all the things and you do a little bit of pocket scrapbooking like me, or mini albums, whatever else there is to do, traveler's notebooks, then I would definitely get this kit as well. So this, like I said, Pocket Life Kit. I'll start with the bigger items in here. So you get a pack of the Keeping It Real cardstock stickers. I say this all the time too, but Pink Fresh really do amazing cardstock stickers. So lots of phrases in there. You can see how this would work really well for pocket scrapbooking, but also for just 12 by 12 pages or 6 by 8. A4, whatever it is that you do. These look like they're from the Wonders collection. They're called Happy Day, and they are like an epoxy puffy stickers, but slightly shiny. So lots of different phrases in there that you can use as phrases or separate them out. It's up to you. We get a pack of the Keeping It Real puffy stickers. Really beautiful. It just amazes me how the colours work so well. Kimberly and Kim are amazing at putting these together, these kits. You get the Wonders sticker book, I guess, or pack. There's 8 sheets in there, so these are like a clear sticker, so translucent. We've got cardstock kind of stickers, more translucent stickers, cardstock, translucent, and the alpha looks like it's translucent as well. So really fun. Pack of the Keeping It Real enamel dots. Beautiful. See how they match so well, even though, this is multiple collections. And as always, we get the exclusive cards, and I will just take them apart, or take them out of the packaging so I can show you. Okay, so we have exclusive 3x4 cards. These are really good quality. If you don't do pocket scrapbooking, there are so many ways you could use these. You can make your own mini albums with them. You can use them for layering. I like to use them for journaling spots. Of course, you can put them in pockets as well. What else can you do with them? You can punch them out. There's just, so many things you can do with these. And sometimes they will actually inspire an entire page for me, and I'll base a page around one of these cards. So, like I say, these are the 3x4. Okay, that looks like an extra one. Okay, and then we have these. I'm not sure what size these are, but they'd be great in a traveler's notebook or even just on your layout. So a lot of journaling prompts. Backing cut files is another thing you can do with these. Here, I always look for the exclusive month cards. So May, that's really pretty. These are 4x6, so that one you could have either way. Oh, so happy. Just prompting you to put journaling or phrases, whatever you want on there. And these are the other kind of traveler's notebook style sized ones. So really pretty gingham. Beautiful blue. It makes me think of Pink Fresh. Weekend vibes, and another one of these green ones. So that is the Pocket Life Kit. Okay, next up is the Cardstock Kit. Let's make sure I've got these going around the right way. Okay, so you get 2 pieces of Limeade, which is a really fun paper, 2 pieces of Jetstream, 2 pieces of Mango, 2 pieces of Pollen, 2 pieces of Avalanche, which looks like a white, 2 pieces of Patina, and 2 pieces of Stream, and 2 pieces of Pinkini. Brielle's going to love that one. She's going to love the name of that one. And then finally, we have the colour kit, and this month we get 2 of these Art Philosophy concentrated watercolours. So we have Tangerine and Marigold. So they're an ink dropper, and you use them just like you would any other wet medium. So I'm going to have fun playing with those. And we also get a stencil. So it's from Simple Stories, and it's called Sunshine. It's got lots of suns. So yeah, that is the May 2021 Hip Kit. I'm really excited to get started with it, and definitely keep a lookout here on my YouTube channel and also my Instagram, and of course the Hip Kit Club, various places that you can find my work. Thank you for watching.